Shalom. I'm going to try out this 22 punch personal defense ammo for the Wrangler. I have a little Heritage too. I love those little 22 pistol, like the old TV cowboy guns. I can get one out. That's it. That's a mean looking little sucker, ain't it? I think it's give me some dry penetration test on them. They look pretty. They look pretty sick. Then you got these lead noses, regular 22 long rifle. I got some long rifle hollow points, but it's hard to find those around here. They buy them up and grab them whenever they can. I love those for the rodent control. You put box traps and snares up all over the place, and somehow they'd kill them by the thousands. Farm life. That's it.